watching and I'm back with a new video. If you're new to this channel, hey. If you're new to this channel, thanks for clicking this video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rhianna Body Lava. Like, I've been dying for this product for the longest, and I feel like they was taking, yes, I was dying for this to come in the mail, and it finally did. So I said I was going to do a review on it because I'm trying to see how this glow is going. Like, I'm very excited. So I did purchase the Pom Pom. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get this open, but I purchased the, what you call it, the Fenty by Rhianna Fairy Balm Glitter Pom Pom. Bomb AF. Like, this pom pom is so cute. I'm dying to open it. I don't know how you open it. Oh, you slide it off. Okay, cool. I thought you had to rip it. Alright, I got the pom pom, and then I got the Body Lava, which is in brown sugar. Of course I got brown sugar because I'm chocolate or whatever. So let's just get into this packaging because this is chic AF. Like, I love the gold. I love the sunset vibe. Like, it's mad dope. I wish this thing go away. It's mad popping. Like, I love the packaging. And this is 90 ml. Like, look how big this is, bro. Like, this is huge. Like, this is really huge. Like, I'm gonna be glowing all, like, I'm gonna be glowing all 2018. Like, look at this. I can't wait to put this on my body. Y'all don't understand. I'm dying. Anyway, this packaging is bomb. This is brown sugar. The pump is bomb. It's mad cute. Like, Lord, I'm dying. So let's open this pom pom though. Okay, we're gonna slide this off and just open it. I have not opened nothing, used anything. I was waiting for y'all. I was waiting to do a video for y'all because I told y'all on Snapchat, if y'all have me on Snapchat, I will link, I got all my social medias down below. I told y'all on Snapchat that I will wait. Oh my god, look at this pom pom. This is super duper uber cute. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, I already got glitter on my nose already. This is like a glitter pom pom ball. I like glitter, but I don't know. I like glitter, but it just gets everywhere. Like, this smells so good. Okay, we're gonna put the pom pom down. We're gonna put the pom pom down. But what I want to first do is like try this freaking Body Lava out. Like, so I actually watch a bunch of videos. I watched Jackie Ina's, Makeup Shayla, if y'all know those YouTubers, big YouTubers. Who else I watched? I watched a couple other people, and I was trying to see like what's the best way to apply it. I don't have the kabuki brush because it was sold out, so I have my own elf kabuki brush. So I guess this should be alright. You know, it's a kabuki brush. It's the same thing. You feel me? So I was told not to put too much of this on, and like just to put a nice layer, I guess, for the shoulders, you know, the collarbones, etc. I'm gonna try not to go all out. I'm gonna try because Jesus Christ. Alright, this is the moment of truth, guys. I don't have no lotion on my body. I feel like I got glitter on me already. I don't have no lotion on my body. I don't have no oils or nothing. So we're gonna just try this. Like, so I think you're supposed to put it on your body first. Let's see how this go. I'm feeling y'all understand. I got a little pump there. Hold on, I might do 2 pumps. Okay. I'm gonna use this brush. Okay. Look at that. Yes, I got stretch marks on my shoulders, y'all. Ooh, that's nice. I think I want some more. It's not sticky or nothing, so. At least not yet. Yo, the way this is going on though. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Like, I'm looking like a little glazed donut and shit. Ooh, I hope y'all getting that on camera. Okay, now. Putting it on the collarbone. You gotta go like this so you can really get in there. I wish this damn shirt stayed down. It's annoying the hell out of me. Ooh. Ooh, like. Nah, I'm feeling this. Look at this. No, I want some more. And it smells like vanilla or something. It smells good. Like, bro. Look at that. Oh my god. Like, it's lit summer 2018. Like, when I go to the beach this summer, it's lit. No, it's lit. Like, I'm going off on this body lava. Like, when you the collarbone, you know what? Let me put a little bit. It's not sticky to me. I guess so. I'm gonna put some more on my. I didn't even get to the other shoulder yet. I'm trying, but it's just hard because it's like, look at this. Body lava on tilt, just be like. Okay, we're gonna do the other shoulder now. But like I do. I think this should look really nice because I got my tattoos right here. We gonna see. Bruh. Oh. Look at that. I advise y'all if y'all can't afford the kabuki brush. That's $34. Might as well go get a $2 one from Elf. I mean, just a suggestion. Because this body lava retails for $70. And the puff is $42. Woo! Nah, my picture's about to come out. Fire! Oh my god, it's just like looking like a glazed donut. I'm a donut today. I'm a nice glazed chocolate donut. I don't even know if they have chocolate glazed donuts. Oh shit! Beesh. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Money back, money back, money back. Oh no, like this shit is horrible. I think I'm gonna put some in my chest. Look at that. Just look at the sparkles. Look at the sparkles though. Like, oh. Nah, this is fire AF. But you know what I'm gonna do? Y'all know I love highlight. If y'all been watching my channel for a gazillion years, y'all know I love highlights. So what we're gonna do is see what this highlight is about. So I'm gonna just take some and just dab it on there. See how it looks. I have the Anastasia and Amarisia highlight on right now. It's don't look too bad. It's just a different color. Cause this is more like a brown sugary shade. Ooh. This is more like a brown sugary shade. And Amarisia is more like a light golden shade. But this works pretty good if you ask me. I'll use it as a highlight. Don't mind my look too, pimples. They trying to play me today. We're not going to the double win today. We're not. But look at this body glow though. Let's just let that sink in. Like it's just. Look at that. Just be like, just be like, Riri, hit me up for this ad. This new ad. If you want to do an ad for body lava, like hit me up. Like I'm with the shits. I'm with the its. Like what's good? I think I would kill a body lava ad right now. I think. With the stretch marks and stuff, the tattoos. I mean, hello. Alright, this Pom Pom. Let's see what happens with the Pom Pom. I think it has glitter in it. Oh, Lord. Oh, and it smells so good. I had to take a whole nother shower because I can't go outside like this. Now if it was like 80 degrees or something, I'd be like this, bam, like popping that collar like bam. I would be going off, but this is like, personally, like, this is bomb. I like this little puff. It's so freaking cute. I've never been like a glitter person, but you'll know NFS. Like, bruh, I would so wear this like to the beach. If I want to be, and I go out and I want to be extra, and I got my shoulders out, and I got my shoulders out, and I really want to get crazy. Like, bro, I'm doing it. I'm putting it on. I don't care who don't like it. They're like, why she glittering? Mind your business. I'm on my Fenty-ish. Like, yo, this is bombing ass. Like, no lie. Yo, why do they invent stuff like this? This is so annoying. Like, as soon as I finish this video, I'm cutting these out my shirt. It's so annoying. Anyway. Like, look at this. Oh my god. I see this ish right here. Like, this is a bomb. Bomb. Whew. This right here. I'm for it. I'm all for it. Like, this is bae right here. Like, I'm all for it. Okay? Like, honey bunny. Hey guys, you made it to the end of this video. I so love this body lava. This is super dope for, you know, summertime, springtime. I will definitely be using this. Definitely, because I like glowing. I like looking radiant. I like looking moisturized, etc. And I just like being extra sometimes. Like, okay, like most of the time I just like being extra AF. So I would definitely be using this body lava. I mean, for the price of it, I better use it. Yeah. The body lava retails for $69. I feel like it's pricey, but you get a lot of product. Like, that's the thing. Like, I don't have any other product that is this big, like, in my whole collection, even though my collection isn't that big. I don't have anything this big ever, and I feel like this is a lot. And on top of that, it's a body lava. It's not something you're going to use every day unless you're going to be wearing tank tops and, you know, shirts that, like a shirt that I'm wearing every day. Then this would be perfect for you. I'm gonna try to wear shirts like this in the summertime almost every day, because I want to use this body lava. I want to be glowing, especially on the beach when you're taking pictures, like you're doing a photo shoot on the beach. Like, that would be super dope. Even if you're doing a regular photo shoot, you know, when it's nice out, this would be perfect. Like, and then the Pom Pom smells mad good, and it gives you more of a glow, like more of a glitter glow. If you want to just add more glitter but not add more product of this, add more, you know, lava, then you could just use this to, you know, pounce it on, and it gives you a nice smell and a nice, like, more glow to it. And this retails for $42. I feel like if you want to be bougie AF, then get this Pom Pom. But if it's not that serious for you, then you should just get the lava. So I want to be bougie. I want to be extra, and I was like, this Pom Pom is super dope, super cute, and I had to get it. So I mean, it's all about your level of extra. Mine is on like 100 most of the time. So yeah, guys, if you like videos like this, like reviews like this, please let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification button, don't forget to subscribe and join the Nay gang, and so we could be besties. Like, we could talk about makeup, talk about skincare, and all that good stuff. And I just see y'all in the next video. If you have any suggestions or any videos you want me to do, then, you know, y'all can leave me a good old comment. I write back to my comments. I have all my social media platforms in my description box. Everything I use in this video in the description box. Even my makeup will be in the description box. So check the description box. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all so much. Later.